Prana Dive teamed up with Ocean Dive League to do a trip to a couple of lesser known dive sites. So here we are driving through Ahmed. Shout out to Reggae. There's his bar, Ahmed Kadai. And this is the beautiful Gemaluk Bay. We're driving past Gemaluk into Lipa, the Lipa Bunatan area. See all the local fishing boats here. And then we get to the dive site, and this is where we figure out that the ocean was too rough for us to dive the site that we were supposed to dive. So we changed the plans, and here you have the local porters. Very impressive that she's carrying all that gear by herself. And down these steps, which I probably couldn't do myself. I'm out at the site right now waiting on the rest of the team, and then off we go on the dive.